A tenant who refuses to leave after a notice has expired, after a lease has ended, or after an eviction filing. It's one of the most stressful situations a landlord faces. Here's what to do and what never to do. First, what not to do. Never change the locks without a court order. Never remove the tenant's belongings. Never cut off utilities. Never threaten or harass. Self-help evictions are illegal in all 50 states and can result in penalties that far exceed the cost of doing it the legal way. That means potential damages, the tenant's attorney fees, and in some states, punitive awards. Now, what to do? Start by identifying exactly what situation you're in. Is the lease expired and the tenant is holding over? Did they receive a notice and the period has run? Is this an unauthorized occupant who was never on the lease? Each situation has a different legal path. If you haven't served a written notice yet, that's step one. The type and length depend on your state and the grounds. Pay or quit, cure or quit, termination notice. Every state has specific requirements. Serve it correctly and keep proof of service. Once the notice period expires without compliance, file for eviction. That's an unlawful detainer action. A civil lawsuit to recover possession. Name every adult occupant in the complaint. File it the day after the notice expires if you want the tenant out. If you win, obtain a writ of possession and schedule the lockout with the sheriff or marshal. They do the physical removal, not you. Cash for keys is worth considering in slow eviction states like California and New York. Paying a tenant $1,000 to $3,000 to leave voluntarily by a specific date can cost less than months of lost rent during a lengthy court process. The legal process takes time, but it's the only process that gives you a clean, defensible outcome. TenantscreeningBackgroundCheck.com. Thorough upfront screening dramatically reduces the risk of ever needing this playbook.